Good morning, Cougars. This is Mr. Martinez with the morning announcements. Good morning, Joya.
Morning, Miss Martinez.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Thank you.
All right, great. Listen, we have a brand new flag today from Eva. Oh, wait a minute. Here it is. From Eva, I believe in the 5th grade. Are you seeing that up on your screen?
Yeah, it's really good.
Isn't she awesome? Thank you, Eva.
The lines are so straight. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right. Again, thank you to Eva for sending us in that flag. Remember, boys and girls, you can submit your flags until Friday of this week. I believe we have over 60 flags that have already been submitted, Joy. Can you believe that?
That's crazy. No.
Yeah, so we've got plenty of flags to choose from. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Today is October 13th. The weather, the high in Studio City is 94. Still feels like it's summer. It's going to be in the 90s the whole week. So nice warm weather. That helped me in the swimming pool this morning. It wasn't too cold. It was nice. We unfortunately, there's my Dodger balloon back there. Unfortunately, boys and girls, game 1 of the National League Championship Series, Dodgers did lose last night 5-1 to the Atlanta Braves. Boo. But they're back tonight. Game 2 is tonight. Kershaw's on the mound, so hopefully we can get our boys in blue can get us a victory. We have been celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month, and this is the last week, Joya. And we have today a new person that we're going to highlight. Let me put her picture up because I think instantly everybody will know who this person is. Can you see J-Lo on there?
Oh, yeah.
So this is
pretty.
Jennifer Lopez. We highlight today in honor of Hispanic Heritage Month. Jennifer Lopez is also known by her nickname J for Jennifer and Lo, the 2 first letters in her last name, Lopez. She's also known for that nickname. This Bronx-born daughter, so Bronx is a borough in New York City. This Bronx-born daughter of Puerto Rican immigrants always worked hard and dreamt big.
In 2011, she became the first actress to have a movie, The Wedding Planner, and an album, J-Lo, topped the charts in the same week.
With a total film gross of $3.1 billion and estimated global sales of 70 million records, Jennifer Lopez is regarded as the most influential Latin entertainer in the United States.
In 2012, Forbes ranked her as the most powerful celebrity in the world, as well as the 38th most powerful woman in the world.
Wow. So this morning we salute J-Lo, Jennifer Lopez, a great role model for all boys and girls, and not just women, boys and girls. She's a great businesswoman, great entertainer, and boy, I enjoy her music. We have something big coming up on Friday, and it's cartoon night, Joy. I don't know have we been talking about that?
Yes, but I'm still surprised every time you say it.
Well, we have a special guest this morning. I'm going to bring in from the waiting room. Let me bring her in now. Good morning, Mrs. Kishner.
Good morning.
So Mrs. Kishner, boys and girls, is at Carpenter. We have 2 assistant principals, right? So you remember Mr. Gordon just accepted a position at Colfax, and he left us a couple weeks ago. We are in the process of hiring a replacement for Mr. Gordon right now. Hopefully that'll be done in the next couple weeks. But we also have a second assistant principal who has a fancy title, Elementary Instructional Specialist. And really, that's a fancy title that means Mrs. Kishner oversees our special education program at Carpenter. This is her first year, and it started remotely. So I know that's been tricky. How's it been going so far, Mrs. Kishner?
It's been a challenge, but a big learning experience. And the thing I'm missing most is I'm not meeting the families and I'm not meeting the kids. I want to meet those kids.
Well, and that brings us to cartoon night because we have our first big kid event coming up Friday night. And you're going to be a big part of that cartoon night. That's Friday, October 16th at 6 o'clock. Now tell us about what you're going to be doing, Mrs. Kishner.
We are going to be having a scavenger hunt bingo game.
All right, let me see. And I think you gave me, look up on your screen and you'll see your bingo sheet. Tell us how this is going to work.
Okay, so when you receive your bingo card in the email, you just print it out, and then you're going to write numbers on there, 1 through 24, in any order you want. It doesn't matter. Put it anywhere, but only use each number once.
You can't repeat numbers, right?
Don't repeat your numbers, just 1 through 24 anywhere. And if you don't have a printer, no big deal. Draw your own. Just draw a grid, a 5x5 grid.
And so this is going to be emailed out to everybody tomorrow. It's got 2 pages on it. So you see the sheet here. Here are the directions that Mrs. Kishner said. Here are the numbers on there. And so we're going to do this Friday night. And what are you envisioning for that Friday night?
Okay, so you're going to want to strategically place yourself in your house that's somewhere near your bedroom, but not too far away from the kitchen, because I'm going to be calling items that you are going to have to find in your house, bring to the camera, show it to the camera, and then write it on your bingo card. So if I say 13 Captain Crunch, then you have to run, find Captain Crunch in your house, bring it, show it to the camera, write Captain Crunch on number 13, and then you're done. You only have 60 seconds to do each item.
Oh man, this is going to be high energy.
Mm-hmm.
Joya, where do you think you're going to do it at? Are you going to be in your room there, or what do you plan
I don't know. Like my kitchen and my room are like the farthest apart rooms.
You might have to tag team with someone in your house.
Yeah, absolutely.
No, maybe I'll go with my little sister.
Oh, and let me tell everybody that all the fun starts Friday night at 6 o'clock. And actually, the scavenger hunt is going to be one of the first things that we do. So you don't want to be late. That's this Friday, October 16th at 6 o'clock. This information is going to be emailed to all of your parents tomorrow. So you'll have plenty of time to get it printed up and be ready for Friday night. Mrs. Kishner, thank you so much for coming on this morning and sharing that info with us. And any final words?
From me?
Yeah.
Just, I can't wait to meet everyone, and I hope we have a great time, and I can't wait till we're back on campus so I get to see all of you.
Excellent. All right. Mrs. Kishner, thank you so much for joining us this morning, and you take care.
Bye. You too.
Bye.
All right. That sounds exciting, huh?
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait for that. So to talk more about that, just remind everybody that that's this Friday. Some of the other things that we're doing, Joy, we've got that scavenger hunt we talked about, breakfast for dinner. Remember, we want everybody eating breakfast for dinner. There's going to be a Kahoot trivia game. We're also going to play in between the 2 cartoons. We're going to have prizes, and of course, the Flintstones and the Jetsons. All that is this Friday night. Wow, I'm excited. Joy, what do you say when you are excited? Do you have an expression or something that you say when you're really happy?
I go, yay!
Okay, so right away you just go to that big old yay. There you go. I like that. Well, when I get happy, a lot of times, and I think it came from a movie that I watched when I was a little kid. It's called It's a Wonderful Life. And there's a boy in there that every time he gets excited, he yells, hot dog. And so for some reason, I've adopted that. And anytime I'm excited about something, I usually yell hot dog. But the reason why we're talking about that is because Fred Flintstone, the main cartoon character in the Flintstones, he says something when he's really excited. Do you know what it is?
Yabba dabba doo!
Yabba dabba doo. And so we're going to be looking for Fred to do a couple yabba dabba doos on Friday. We want to remind everybody, Luca, he's got his link on the website. He wants to see what you're going to be eating for breakfast. Remember, he's going to share those Friday. So submit them by Thursday at the latest. You ready for the words of wisdom?
Yes.
All right, here we go. Now for the words of wisdom, boys and girls. Thomas Paine, a great American patriot, once said,
We should remember that virtue is not hereditary.
virtue means goodness, right? And if something is hereditary, it has been passed on to you by your parents, like your red hair or your long legs.
Mr. Payne is saying that he doesn't believe that we inherit virtue from our parents, but that we learn to be good. How? By listening to those who try to teach us to be good, like our parents, teachers, and caregivers.
Today, boys and girls, keep your ears wide open. Notice when someone tries to teach you right from wrong. Then remember Thomas Paine and choose to listen. With something to think about, this is Mr. Martinez.
And Joya.
Make it a great day.
Or not.
The choice is yours. Joy, you got a big day of school today planned?
Yeah.
Okay, well, attack it like you've never attacked it before, right? Have a great day, get everything done, and we'll see everybody tomorrow for the morning announcements with Elle, our student body vice president. Will be here tomorrow. See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.